What's up, ladies and gents? We're back at Kinloch Brew, and yeah, Bianca is joining me. You guys are going to see her a bit more in the video, so yeah, stay tuned. We're going to catch a trout. Nice! Okay, I've spotted a bass. We're going to try and catch it. Bianca's going to catch him. He's right here, very close, so we don't want to suckle. Dit was een redelijk groot bass.
Eindelijk te zien.
Oké Tom. Oké Tom, hier zo. Oké, trek hem net. Laat hem gaan, laat hem hardlopen as hy wil hardloop. Oké, gaan hom op die katrol vat, laat hom gaan. Oké, jy's op die katrol, nou kan jy rol. Rol, ja. Jy moet die lyn altyd styf hou. Bianca is on, bro. Bianca is on. Hou die lyn styf, lig die stok op. As hy beklei, laat hom hardloop. Laat jy hom die lyn vat. Laat hom lyn vat. Daar sê, go. Kom Bianca. Ek kom terug, ek kan net. Nice. Trek hom na regs. Dis 'n mooi bass. Daar sê, laat hom 'n bietjie lyn vat as hy wil hardloop. Hy's in die gras, wag. Ek gaan jou help. Okay. So grootte. Bianca! You got him! Nice! Kyk hoe mooi hy hom gehaak in die hoek van sy bek. Ja, so. Jy vang hom aan sy lip, hy het nie tande nie. Hou hom vas, gryp hom net so, jy kan eers voel. Kyk, staan vir 'n foto. Hou hom, lig hom hoor.
Okay.
Here we go, Bianca with her first bass, bro. Let's go, you're a Kinloch. Okay, Tom. Bianca is not a fan of holding fish. That's probably her first and last time. A nice large mouth. Let's go. Swinky? Yeah. Kom ons sit hom terug. So yes, Kinloch also has bass. How beautiful. Wil jy aan sy stertjie vat?
Ja.
Okay. Ew, there he goes, bro. Lekker, ladies and gents, we've made it through the forest walk, my bro, and also just made it to the trophy dam. Bianca just caught a beautiful bass. Now we're gonna try out the trophy dam for a few trout. See what we've got. Definitely something swimming out there. Oh, did you see that jump? I'm stoked. We are about to get into some solid fish. Let's go. Okay, stop. Daar is skryf. Het hy my toch gemis? Hy het hom dadelik opgetel. Stryk, jy's aan. Rol, trek, rol. Jy moet trek, rol.
Die is te veel om te
Trek met hierdie ding, trek met hierdie ene. Okay, hou hierdie hand,
Ja.
hierso. En daar sê, hy lig jy stok se punt. Well done, she's on, top order, bro. Let's go. Dis 'n mooie. Oh, sê. Nou lig jy die stok net bietjie hoër, dat ek hom kan skep. We got him! First one! Nice little trout, bro. Look at him go. He wants to go. Off he goes. Ek dink jy raai afgeneem nie. Damn! Nee! Sorry! Eerste een is gone. Okay, nog 'n topwater, let's go.
So jy die hele storie gegee?
Ek dink ek het dit gemis, maar hy's op daai kamera rekord. So ek gaan net nie die foto hê met hom nie, maar
Dis okay.
hy gaan alles gehoor het wat ek gesê het. So dis okay. Op jou eie. Well done. Good morning, ladies and gents. Bianca's still asleep. Early morning brew, and yeah, I'm gonna quickly try and catch a few trout at the top dam, and later this afternoon we're gonna go fish at the trophy dam. So yeah, looking forward to the day. Definitely gonna catch a few proper fish. Stay tuned, brew. Here we go. A few ducks out there. Secured one or two throws on this side, and then we'll go to the other side. This entire stretch here is nice and open, no grass. But I'm gonna go and fish that section first and then move in this way. Let's see. Okay, so I actually dropped my fly to the bottom and I had to grab 2 times in a row. he unfortunately missed it. So I'm going to let my fly sink to the bottom again, and then I'm going to pull it in slowly. But yeah, I had 2 takes now, and yeah, I think I was just too high in the water column, but that was a fish twice. I actually went to grab another fly, and that's why I let it sink. But now we've got it down to the bottom. Now we're going to pull it slowly. See if he wants it. There we go. There we go. Yes, bro. That's a big one. There we go. Just drop the fly to the bottom and we're onto one, dude. That's a big fish. That was awesome. Oh, in the sunlight. Yeah, proper rainbow. That's what I love about this spot. The white fly just gets it done, dude. Yo, this is a big fish. First one for me this whole trip, dude. Yo, 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 yo. Oi, oi. This isn't a bad rainbow. Oh, he is a beautiful fish. Look at those colors. Just dropped it down to the bottom and bam, into one. Oh, there he goes again. Yes, boy. Figured it out. And we're on to one. Yo, beautiful fish. There he goes again. Hey. Keeping the rod nice and high. Get him out those weeds because he's diving the entire time. Yo, he's putting some pressure on it. Not a bad fish. Hey. Goes again, goes again. And that's why we come to Kinloch for big trout, dude. This is a nice rainbow. No, he's not tired just yet. Oh, big run, big run. Sure. I don't want him to fight too much because I want to take a few photos of him, but he's a beautiful fish. Look at that fish. Yo, that's nice. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. Yo! Look at the trout. Yo! Nice fat one. Yo, he grabbed that fly, hey. Oh, beautiful. So stoked with this one. Trying so long to figure it out, and we finally got him on the white woolly bugger. Hey, hey, calm down, bro. Hey, hey. Check. Right there. Hey. He's at a bit of a difficult spot here. Just want to get this hook out. Yo, he's got some teeth. Ouchie. Really struggling to get my fly out. There we go. Look at this beautiful rainbow. How about that? Yo, big fish. Gonna put him back in the net. Just gonna weigh him really quick. 2.22 kg trout. How about that? Yo, beautiful. There we go. How about that trout, dude? Beautiful. Get him back in the water. Yo, it's a beautiful fish. I like doing this. Get the water through the gills. Get him pumping again. Gonna take our time with him. He's been out of the water for a second or two. I want to get deeper into the water. You can see he's not ready just yet. Yo, wow, beautiful. Nice one here at Kinloch. There we go. There we go. How about that, bro? Beautiful trout. He did swim. I believe he'll be fine. Yeah. What a fish, dude. Drop the fly to the bottom and wham, we are on. So this is what's left of my fly. White woolly bugger. And it's now a very ugly brown white woolly bugger. Okay, so that's it for now at the top dam, bro. That one beautiful 2 kg rainbow trout. Yeah, super stoked on it. Lucky, ladies and gents, we're chilling up the stairs. Just check out this view, bro. Got our gear ready to go. Little boat down here. Gonna go rowing soon. You ready? We are ready to go. There we go, beautiful little snake. There were 2 of them here. Obviously the boat hasn't moved for a while, so if you ever do lift up things, just be careful for snakes, bro. Maar ek het jou gesê, nou?
Ek het hulle nie eens gesien nie. Gaan hierdie ouens nie besluit hulle kom op nie?
Dit is niks van ons. Hulle is baie banger vir ons as ons vir hulle. Het jy gesien hy het dadelik weggegaan? Hy het dadelik probeer wegkom. See us growing.
Ek het gewonder kan jy dit doen. As ons die ander gekry, ek voel dit sou ons beter gedoen het.
Daai
As die trap, ja.
die ander respawn.
Ja.
Wil jy hom gekry?
Dit is 'n maklike reis.
Ja. Okay, vat gee ek vir hierdie klein.
Net 'n trap.
Okay, kom ons trap.
Nou moet ons weet jy die trap.
Roei! Ja, eens.
Okay. Dis op.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ja.
Okay.
Okay, hang nou hier.
Wat?
Jera.
Ja.
Okay, hierdie is jou nou, hy roei baie maklik eintlik en as
Okay.
ek vir my die kamera gee.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. We got pedals now. 3, 2, 1, and we are off. Ja, die roei gemakliker wees.
Jep.
Baie beter.
Dis stop dat dit reg het gegaan hè.
Ja. Cheese. Let's go. We're against the wind, bro. But we're flying. I'm turning us around.
Sorry.
Here we go. We made it back safely at least.
Ons het maar net gemaak so lank reg.
Yep.
Die
Getting
ek.
ready to go catch a trout. Also on our way to another spot that I haven't visited yet at Pinok. That Shannon's been asking me to go to for a very long time, since I actually arrived here. My first ever visit. And I don't know if this is the one. It is. And now we're gonna go check it out finally. Buckle up. Turn it on. Wait for the noise.
To stop.
Still going. Push down on the brake as hard as possible. And turn it. Put the handbrake down. We are in drive. Let's go. Dis Amerikaanse ding ons, dis ook aan die linkerkant is. Dit is
Ek het gewonder iets is
Ja.
af, maar ek weet nie lekker. Maak sin.
Ja. Dit moet jy vra as jy oor na die voor die kamera.
Ek het maar nou net eers af.
Dit is ook goed, hè? Awesome.
Nee.
Yep.
Oh, wag, jy wou dit nog. Okay, guys.
Through the trees, with all the leaves. Oh yeah, let's go. Weet je wat gaan zeggen? Oké, als we daar uitgaan naar je hek, dan kan je kinderen mooi afnemen. Oh, we gotta go fishing here, Nana Oaks. This is the spot, trust. Kinloch Lodge, boys. This is where you wanna be.
Dat jy leer om 'n hek oop te maak.
Okay, so you can come and walk this route here. There we go. Bianca is flying the drone, bro. So, yeah, teaching her now. Doesn't she just look like the most beautiful pilot? Let's go. Oh, hier kom hy. Bianca in sports mode with the drone. Let's go, bro. It's flying over pretty proper. Moenie ophou vlieg jou, net reguit aangaan. Yo! There she goes, dude. Here we go, back it on.
eers het hom hard gegryp, maar was 'n klein visie. Okay, strip hom een keer. Okay, laat hom lê. Strip hom. Strip hom een keer hard. As hy los hom. Daar is hy. Oh, hy het hom ook gemis. Bianca is on, bro. Let's go. Quick, puppy. Lovely. Bianca, for a little one. Let's go. Mooi man. And in the corner of his mouth, the white fly getting the job done. Cheese, Bianca's rainbow trout, second one, well done, beautiful. Let's go. Wil jy hom terugsit? Kom, jy gaan anyways jou hande was, kom. Okay, was jou handjies hier so? Ek sal vir jou so vashou. En ek net sy sterkie voel. Voel jy, hy's glad nie slijmerig in die water nie. Okay. En dan as hy wil gaan, hou hom bietjie, hy stert vas, tot met hy so skop en wil gaan. Ja. Jy kan hom bietjie vorentoe stoot, bietjie. Ja, sê. Hou net sy sterkie vas, En ja, as hy so skop, sien jy, aan sy reg om te gaan omtrent. Kyk net dat hy nie om...
Moet ek daai doen?
Ja, sy. Ja, hy is stewig. Okay. As hy weer so skop, los hom. Daar gaat hy. Well done. Legend. Okay, so Bianca is having a lot of luck on a small white fly. So I'm going to try something similar. This one should get the job done. Okay, tie it on. See how it goes. It's a kleinkie. Nee, it's a kleinkie. Nice. Wow, is levendig. Oh, sorry, dat is my skuld. Ek het hom verloor. Ek is jammer. There we go. The trout are currently on fire, bro. Eet hom. Hy's aan. Hy het homself gevang. Wel sê, hy's aan. Ja, hy's daar. Go. Nice. Ja. Jy kan hom trek, maar as hy hard vaai, dan gee hom lyn. Very well done. Let's go.
Ons het hom nou nog.
Hey, 2 jumps. Oh, I didn't let him. Well done. Now we're on. Let's go. Woo! Het is 'n mooie, né? Yes, hy is 'n kleurvolle ene. Another beautiful trout here at Kinloch. Let's get him back. Jeez. Nice. Okay. Focus. Now it's very important to let your fly go to the bottom. Then start stripping very slowly. Got it. Yo!
Het ek dit nou gehoor?
Ja, ek dink jy
Ek so maar ek het soos kant toe beweeg.
Hy. Yes, so ek het nie tensie gehou nie, maar het jy daai jump gesien?
Maar ek het
Yes, so
ek weet nie.
Now Bianca's gonna strip on Poppy very slowly. Let the fly sink to the bottom. We've got a few trout feeding on top, but we've got a few on the bottom now too, which is great. Rol, trek, strip. Waar is hy strip? Mooi. Geen lyn as hy wil hardloop. Nice, Bianca, nice. Oh, hy gaan dalk in die lug ingaan. Oh, nice. Jee. Nice, in die hoek van sy bek ook. Is in die gras, mooi. Ja, nee, het hom in die hoek van sy bek, well done. Het hom ordentlik gehad hy. Goeie werk. Okay. Hy is baie levendig. Jy gaan maar net mooi moet vashou. Het jy hom. Okay. With his smile. Ek het hom. Okay, sweet. Ja. Daar's hy. Well done, Bianca. Almost lost it, but she's got him. Okay, sit hom sommer terug, jy. Oh, sit hom hier in die son terug. Okay, is fine, dan gaan hy. Ja.
Is hy fyn?
Hy's gone. Well done. Well done. Ja, hoe 'n bietjie skep. Drop hom net aan, ek kom skep vir my.
Kan ek nou nie te lank wag?
Nee, is fyn, ek kan net skep. Hy's nog in die water, hy's fyn.
Nee, daai tipe.
Ei,
Of moet jy?
moet ek skep. En ja, ek vang hom. Nee, jy doen klaar, net so. Hou hom. Okay, maar jy moet hom moet hom nie verloor nie. Bring hom hier na toe. Daar's hy. On the white flower, bro. Yay. Gooi 'n white woody bugger, bro. Trust. Oh, gat hy. En die hoek van sy bek. Well done, y'all. Goeie werk, go. You got this, let's go. As hy af. Oh, unlucky. En toe spoeg hy hom. Oh, okay. Let's go, another one. Gotta drop your fly to the way bottom. All these fish are on the bottom at the moment. Ja, kyk hoe mooi is hy.
Ek like dit.
Ek weet nie. Dink is die vliegie. And nice little small one. Yeah, look at him swimming. We go, does he? There we go.
Another beautiful one here at Kinloch. A little small one. Get him back in the water.
It's okay. Ooh. Oh, gaat hy. Ja, bring hom hier na toe. En die vlieg is so in die hoek van sy bek. Ek het hom, nice, 'n kleintjie. Oh, cute. Ja. En hy's pers, ja, hy is pers. Cheese. Okay. Ja, gee hom vir my hierso. Oh, sy goeie werk, beautiful, well done. Oh, gaan hy. Oh, gaan hy.
Cheese. Another beautiful one here at Kinloch, bro. How's hy, cheese? Lig hom 'n bietjie hoor. How's hy? Kom ons sit hom mooi terug. Ja, net daar so. Hy was 'n lei. Hey, nou het hy lewe. Well done, let's go. Okay.